Assalamualaikum. In this video, we will learn about alkynes. So, alkynes are those hydrocarbons that contains a triple bond, and their general formula is CnH2n minus 2. And they are unsaturated hydrocarbons. The carbon-to-carbon triple bond. There are two kinds of bonds. One bond is a sigma bond. The other two are pi bonds. The pi bonds are the reactive sides of these carbon atoms, and they link other atoms to the carbon atom when the pi bond breaks, and the other carbon atoms or other groups will react with these carbon atoms, and the bond will break, and they attach to the carbon atoms that contains a triple bond or pi bond. Next, we will learn about the nomenclature of alkynes. It is same as alkenes. The ending is instead of "ene" is "ine." And the next rule is when we have two carbon atoms compound with two carbon atoms, it will known as ethine, and three carbon atoms it is propyne, and so on until to the 10 carbon atoms, that is decyne. And next is the basic rules of naming of alkynes. So this is a structure. We will have to name it, and there are six carbon in total, but we will find out the longest chain, and if it is not longest chain, it will have to uh, the carbon carbon triple bond. The first one is four carbon chain, and 1 2 3 4, and the second one is five carbon chain. So the five carbon chain is the longest, and when we uh, name it as pentyne, if it is a longest chain and this straight chain, it will be uh, the number as from here 1 2 3 4 and 5. ठीक है, 5 carbon atoms, and the one is a substituent, that is methyl group, and it is on the third carbon, so we will number it as 3 methyl, and the one and second carbon has triple bond, then it will name as 1 pentyne. So the basic rule is to finalize the parent chain that has a triple bond, and it will be or it will not be a longest chain, and the number of the number the parent chain, the least we will count the least number of the carbon atom that has a triple bond. If it is between the second and third carbon, it will also be number as from here to there, and name the branch if it contains any branch or a group attached to the carbon, either on 2 3 4 and 5 carbon on the chain, and we will finalize the compound name as I um, tell you before. So the next is also a different compound with a different uh, carbon atoms and its chain and its composition. So basically we will find out the parent chain, the basic chain, the longest, and as well as will contain the triple bond in it. So we will find out the longest chain. So basically we have the longest chain, if we look at this, is this 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 carbon chain is the longest chain, and we have two kinds of groups attached to the chain. One is methyl and other is ethyl, two carbon chain, and we will name it as from here because it is closest to the triple bond. So one hexine, and the other we will name it as, if we have methyl and ethyl, M and E. So E is uh, we will write the E compound first, because it is according to the alphabetic order. So E comes before M. So we will, when we number the chain, and if it will be 1 through 2 and 3. 3 has ethyl group, and 4 as methyl group, and the name, parent chain name is 1 hexane. So it will name as 3 ethyl 4 methyl 1 hexane. Next is some other compounds with triple bonds that are alkyne. So first one is, we will name it as propine simply, and prop, one ion, because one is the carbon that contains a least number and has a triple bond. So it if we have four carbon atoms in the chain and a triple bond on first carbon atom, first and second carbon between, and it will be named as one ion. So the other is, if we change the position of triple bond, and we will name it as 1 2. So with 2 and 3, between 2 and 3 carbon there is triple bond, and we will see it as 2 butane or to butane. The other one is 5 carbon chain, and we have also two groups attached to it, that is methyl group. So on the fourth position, it is 4 dimethyl, means if there are two groups on the same carbon, so it will name as the number. We will repeat the number, and we will add di for two groups. So 4 dimethyl to pentine. Next is naming alkynes. So if we have such kind of compound or a chain that contains double and triple bond, so we will uh, the double bond will dominate the triple bond, because uh, we will consider a double bond before the triple bond. The number starts with the double bond, and we will not look at the triple bond, but we have to give a double bond the least number. So in this compound there are total 7 carbon chain, 7 carbon in the chain, and we will name it as the chain contains 7 carbons, so hept, and one and second carbon, so we will write it as 1. Double bond will consider as one ene, and fifth carbon has 3 carbon to carbon bond, and it will be written as 5 ine. So it is named as hept 1 ene 5 ine. And the next is the structure of alkynes. So alkyne has a linear structure, and its bond angle is uh, 106 for hydrogen and carbon to carbon is 120 picometer its length. and sorry, its bond length is carbon to carbon is 120 picometer, and carbon to hydrogen is 106 picometer, and acetylene is linear. This is the structure of acetylene. This is the end of video. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.